make Rachel's statement true, that they both cancel each other out.
Well, if they met up at like weird times, both the waves are at their highest point and they're not together.
Come draw. So this is wave 1. Do wave 2. How would wave 2 need to interact with wave 1 to make it cancel out?
Well,
No, you can draw it right on it. Yeah.
well, if they met like this, you know, like, it was that like that. Oh. You know what I'm saying?
Well, continue to draw like how they would interact together after the collision.
Wouldn't they just stop? You sure that I know what I'm talking about?
Okay.
Okay.
No, that's okay. All right. Okay. I think you may have had a right idea.
Well, I have the right idea about the blood pressure, everybody's looking at it.
Okay, I liked what you actually started right here.
Yeah, me too, that was the prettiest part.
Okay, and then, so of this wave, of the blue wave, it would be going down to the trough at this point.
That's where I was going.
Okay,
There's just
and then it would be coming, I went a little too far down here. And then it would come back up, and it would be at its crest when this one is at its trough.
That's what I meant. See, once you get like 6 waves in there, it's complicated. But
Okay.
just keep 2 big loops there.
I know, okay. So if they interacted with each other in a way that the crest of one wave is happening at the same time as the trough of the other, they'll cancel each other out. Because at each of these places, like let's say this is an amplitude of -3 and this is an amplitude of +3. -3 and +3 equals 0. So I'm just going to draw my resultant wave as 0 as my equilibrium line is set as 0. Okay. So the resultant wave is actually going to be 0 all the way across. I don't think mine is straight, but that's okay, you get the idea. Okay, so if they interact with each other in that way, that's going to be called destructive interference. Now, sometimes, actually most of the time, the waves aren't the exact same frequency and amplitude. So a trough of, or a crest of one could be, say, like +5, and the trough of another could be only, like, say, -2. So what's the result going to be? +5 -2 equals?
3.
3, right, okay. So then I'm going to have a decreased wave, but it's still going to be existing, but it's going to be only be +3. So we have, so this is just when the waves are the exact same, interacting together, where we have double or 0. So we'll go through a little bit more examples. But do you get the difference? Constructive, making it bigger, destructive, making it smaller. Okay, rock on.